Welcome back. Today's topic is how to improve pronunciation.
Pronunciation is one of the biggest challenges for English learners,
Many people know grammar and vocabulary.
but people still don't understand them clearly.
Good pronunciation helps people understand you.
It's more important than having a perfect accent.
Clear speech builds confidence.
Improving pronunciation starts with listening.
Listen to native speakers carefully.
Focus on how words sound, not how they are spelled.
English has stressed syllables.
For example, present versus percent.
Wrong stress can change meaning.
In sentences, not every word is stressed.
Important words are stressed more.
This makes your speech sound natural.
Shadowing is a powerful method.
Listen and repeat immediately.
Copy rhythm, speed, and intonation.
Many learners speak too fast.
Speaking slowly improves clarity.
Pause between ideas.
Recording your voice helps a lot.
You can hear your mistakes.
Then compare with native speakers,
Every learner has difficult sounds.
like th, r, l, v, b.
Practice these sounds daily.
Native speakers connect words.
For example, what do you becomes whatcha.
This helps listening and speaking.
1 minute, listen. 1 minute, repeat. 1 minute, shadow. 1 minute, record. 1 minute, review.
Just 5 minutes a day works.
Trying to sound perfect.
Ignoring stress in intonation.
Speaking too fast.
Ignoring connected speech.
Pronunciation improves with practice.
Not talent.
Clear English is powerful English.
Don't aim for a perfect accent.
Aim for clear communication.
Your pronunciation will improve every day.
Pronunciation is physical.
Yes, your mouth and tongue position matter,
Watch how native speakers move their mouth.
especially for sounds like th and r.
Minimal pairs help you hear differences.
For example, ship, sheep, bat, bet.
Practice them slowly. Minimal pairs help you hear differences.
For example, ship, sheep, bat, bet.
Practice them slowly. Choose one speaker you like.
A YouTuber, actor, or podcaster.
Copy their pronunciation style.
Silent practice is not enough.
You must speak out loud.
Even 5 minutes a day helps.
A learner practiced pronunciation daily.
They focused on stress and rhythm.
After 1 month, people understood them better.
Using spelling instead of sound.
Speaking too fast.
Ignoring connected speech. Using spelling instead of sound.
Speaking too fast.
Ignoring connected speech. Day 1 to 2, sounds. Day 3 to 4, stress. Day 5, intonation. Day 6, shadowing. Day 7, review.
Simple and effective.
Clear pronunciation changes everything.
It helps people understand you.
And it boosts confidence.
Practice daily. Improve steadily.